In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable booklets in Microsoft Word. If you have ever wanted to transform a standard document into a neatly folded booklet for a program, a small magazine, a handbook, or even a school project, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. Everything we'll do uses built-in features inside Microsoft Word, so you won't need any extra tools or complicated settings. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either start a new blank document or open the file you plan to turn into a booklet. It is very important to complete all your content first, including your text, images, and formatting. Finalizing your layout before adjusting the page setup helps prevent spacing issues and keeps your design consistent once the booklet format is applied. Once your content is ready, move to the top menu and click on the Layout tab. In some versions of Word, this may appear as Page Layout. In the Page Setup section, click the small arrow in the lower right corner to open the Page Setup window. This is where the main booklet settings are located. Inside the dialog box, stay on the Margins tab and find the option labeled Multiple Pages. Open the drop-down menu and choose Bookfold. As soon as you select this setting, the orientation will automatically switch to Landscape. This change is expected because Word is preparing the pages so they can be folded down the center like a traditional booklet. While still in the same window, locate the setting called Sheets per Booklet. If you want the entire document combined into one booklet, choose All. If you would rather divide it into smaller sections, select a specific number instead. After confirming your choice, click OK to apply the changes. To give your booklet a more polished appearance, insert page numbers. Go to the Insert tab, select Page Number, and choose a placement style. Positioning the numbers at the bottom center typically works best for folded pages. Before printing, carefully review everything. Click File, then Print, and examine the preview. You will notice that Word automatically rearranges the pages so they print in the correct order for folding. When printing, select Print on both sides if your printer supports duplex printing, and choose Flip Pages on Short Edge. If your printer does not print double-sided automatically, print the front pages first, then reload the paper and print the reverse side. After printing, fold the pages evenly down the middle and staple along the center crease. Your printable booklet is now complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.